Hey guys, if you're a small YouTuber looking for video ideas, here are 50 that I have that I hope you might like. The first one, we're gonna go to the first 10. First one I have, trying celebrity routines, putting an all-nighter, productive day, going to bed early, recreating celebrity photos. Those are the first 5. They're gonna be on the screen. I hope you got any ideas. We're gonna go now. We have makeup tutorial. If you're somebody that knows how to do makeup or you're a beginner makeup, you can help somebody. You can do a video on it to help somebody. 7, testing out products from Amazon, Shein, whatever you get products from, you can test it out. Shein try on haul. Your 2022. If you're gonna do a video, please add a 2022 on it for your Shein try on haul. I'm gonna go now. For your family, choose out your outfits. Instagram, control your life for a day. Your IG followers, pick out your outfit. Your get to know me video, hair videos. If you can do hair well, then that's a video for you. You can go ahead and say, okay, I do hair, so I did how to do this. You can check it out on my channel if you like it, and I will drop more hair videos. How-to videos like how to mount the TV, how to open a savings plan, how to spread your pip. Listen, people might want videos like that. I don't know. What's on your iPhone? You can do a vlog. If you're a vlogging channel, you can do vlogs. You can just pick 2 days out of the week that you know you're gonna vlog, and then you upload your videos. Go into the movies, spend the day with me, spend the weekend with me, chill day, chill Saturday, month reset, Sunday reset, school reset. The difference from a Sunday reset and a school reset is because for a school week, you know, the school week just started, you started doing your homework or whatever it is that you would normally do when it's Monday and school just started. So you can do videos like that. We're at 25 now. What have you learned about YouTube? I'm gonna do a video on that soon. What I've learned and how can I help small YouTubers to how to do copyright. If you wanted me to help you with that, you can also drop a comment down below and I'll help you. 26, a vision board. You can do a vision board for the new year's coming up. I'm gonna do one. The vision board will include your goals, everything that you need. Yeah, night routine, morning routine, school night routine, school morning routine, clean my room with me, transform my room. If you're gonna do a clean my room with me, you can also do a transform in my room with me. Cleaning out my closet. If you have a big closet and you have a lot of clothes, you can do also trying on all my clothes with me. See what you're gonna sell. See, we're gonna go thrift and see what you're gonna get rid of, recreating Pinterest ideas, how to take pictures. If you're a great person at taking pictures and you don't have a video idea, show people how to pose, show people how to take a picture, room tour, go shopping with me. After you do the room tour, you could do a transfer in my room or whatever you decide. Excuse me. You could help me put up Christmas decorations, help me put up New Year's decorations, help me put up Halloween decorations. Whatever time of the year that you see this video and you haven't done this yet, you can also do it. As I said, Halloween decorations, fall decorations, Shein haul, Fashion Nova haul, and Get Ready With Me. I know Get Ready With Me's have died down a bit, but you can still do it because it's a gap video. If you always post videos, say you post videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and you don't really have any ideas, but you're like, hey, I'm getting ready to go out. I'm not gonna really doing anything interesting on my way out. So you know what? Let me do a Get Ready With Me and show people how you get ready. Birthday preparations, vacation preparations. If you are someone that travels a lot or you're just going to travel, you could do a prep with me, doing your hair, do your nails. That could also be a maintenance vlog. If you're really smart about it, that could be a maintenance vlog. If you're someone that goes all out for your birthday, go birthday shopping, go birthday preparations, go somewhere that you know that, hey, people might be interested in watching how you prep for your birthday, how you prep meaning like how you do your hair, how you find your clothes, how you do your whole theme for your birthday. If you're gonna keep a party, if you're gonna whatever, if you're gonna have a dinner, whatever it is, you decide. You be smart about it. You pick what you want to do. We're at mom do a voiceover, your dad do a voiceover, your sister do a voiceover. If you are a person that say on the no hands challenge, where y'all be cooking or y'all be putting on makeup and they are doing the voiceover and you're just there as a friend person. You can do one of those if your mom's a really funny person or your dad is a really funny person, your sister, your brother, your friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, anybody that is a funny person and can crack jokes and can whatever. Yeah, that's them. Big chop video, and after that video you can do an update on how you chopped off your hair, how you do your hair, and then after that video you can do how you grow your hair. You can do how you grow your hair. You can tell them what you used to do to grow your hair. You know, videos like that. Like, be smart about it. Think of different stuff that could be attached. Like, imagine you have hair. That's the topic. You could do how to grow your hair, how to chop your hair, how to straighten your hair, how to flat iron your hair, how to wash your hair. Like, there's so many things surrounded around hair if you're a hair channel, right? You could do how to start a channel. I'm gonna do a video on that because a lot of new YouTubers have come out and you know they wanna, well, you're here for the ideas. I'm gonna do a video on how to start a channel. You could do show you my dot collection. You could do, like, for example, show you my collection. I can show you my shoe collection, my phone case selection, my perfumes collection, my shower collection. You could, as I said, I did put shower routine on this, but you could do a shower routine. You could do a shower routine, as I said, night routine, morning routine, anything that's really of your choice. You know, if something you're interested in, you just say, okay, you might be surprised how many people that are interested in what you do. So vlog it. You could do how to take the bus, how to put money on your TransPass, you can do, come to even Five Below shops, stores like that. Come to Five Below to check out the new stuff that you have with me. There are a lot of videos circulating. Even the one that I just showed you about the hair video, there's a lot of videos circulating it that you can do, right? How to put on lashes. If you're someone that's really can't put on lashes, or the individual lashes, like how the lash techs be doing it now, your video is skyrocket. Okay, how to organize whatever, how to organize your bag, how to organize your shoes, how to organize your classes, how to organize whatever it is. If you're a good organizer or you got OCD and you just feel like you love organizing things, that's your video. That's your video. How to shop for clothes. I mean, a lot of people don't know how to shop. A lot of people don't know how to pick out which clothes they should wear for a specific date. Say someone's going to a very fancy, semi-formal birthday dinner. They don't know how to shop. They be getting jeans and a crop top. Girl, no. So you can do how to shop for your clothes for whenever you're going somewhere video. You could do how to find your wardrobe. Like, for example, you have capsule wardrobe, you got emo, you got Y2K, whatever. Show people how to find their specific style. Then you're gonna do how to set up your Chromebook. If you can set up your Chromebook, or if you just feel like this is really a simple, easy video that everybody should know, trust me. Somebody just got a Chromebook and somebody needs your help. Do a video on it. How to use TikTok. A lot of people don't know how to use certain effects or green screens on TikTok, and you can help them out. You know, you can show people how to save, how to do this, how to do that. Like, y'all, it's how to videos. There are so much of them, so much. Just find some. You can look at you could be laying on your bed and you have a ring light. Wow, how to set up your ring light. You could do a video on that. A lot of people now is getting into content creating. A lot of people don't know how to set up their ring light. A lot of people go to YouTube for help. Girl, do that video. Boy, do that video. Do the video. Come on, do the video. Cause a lot of people don't know how to set up a ring light. because I did not know, and I do not like reading instructions, and my brother had to help me. So do how to set up whatever, how to set up your air conditioner, anything. How-to videos are the best videos to do, and you will get a good amount of engagement on those videos, I promise you. Ideas. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, I'm gonna fight you, because I have 59 subscribers right now and I need to get it up. You need to go up. Yes, I hope this video does well, and have a great time, and I hope you had great and lovely ideas. I hope you try out more than the 50, because I said more than 50 ideas. More than 50. So I hope you did. Hope you understand it, and hope if you have any ideas that also you can leave them down in the comments below. Leave your opinions in the comments below. Have a great one.